Hello guys, welcome back to my daily vlog. I don't know, I forgot this is day how much, but no problem. Let's do starting from zero. No, I'm jokes. So, like usually, I walking, going for a walk to see on the top of building. So I want to sing my shirt, but yeah, maybe uh, after this, maybe yeah, maybe after this, because I'm so tired. I'm so tired with this life. Tired, tired. No problem. There is so many. This is so cold because this is a still hill. We on the hill on the top, so we can see Eden boarding school from, yeah, yes, we can see the Eden boarding school. Can you see, guys? Eden boarding school from, yes, that is Eden boarding school. Yeah, I don't know, they're so far from my home, but yeah, can we see my boarding house from Eden boarding school? I think no. There are so many uh, rice field, rice. This is a bag, so many white bag, so many white bag, so many tree, so many stone. So I have been clearing my assignment, complete my assignment from yesterday. But oh, there is a mushroom farm. If you see, can you see, guys? Yeah, that is mushroom farm. Okay, see you in next vlog. Okay, bye bye.